Welcome to this presentation on Safe Goa 24/7 Emergency Monitoring System. Our vision is to minimize loss of life and physical assets through preventive monitoring and effective response to fire incidents, thereby making Goa a safer state.
The Safe Goa 24/7 EMS system monitors all facilities in the state of Goa like industries, hotels, hospitals, and residential buildings. It monitors the health of fire protection systems in real time to ensure that they are functional 24/7. This also helps us optimize manpower utilization for fire safety audit, the real-time automated monitoring and the GPS tracking of the fire services vehicles, help us minimize loss to citizens due to disruption of business. The system monitors the fire alarm panel and gas detection system for alarm, fault, and on-off status. It also monitors the fire pumps to ensure line pressure and tank level, along with the on-off and fault conditions. The system also tracks the geolocation of the facility. Architecturally, when a fire incident happens, the fire detectors detect the fire and communicates it with the fire control panel in the premises. The fire alarm panel relays the alarm signal to Safe Goa 24/7 IoT device using protocols like BECnet, Modbus, OPC, LANWorks, SNMP and XML. The IoT device then communicates with the Safe Goa 24/7 servers and raises alarm in the appropriate fire station and the fire control room. This will reduce the response time drastically, and helps reduce the loss to the citizens and the state. The EMS uses automatic vehicle tracking system, AVTS, and radio communication to closely monitor response, and increase responsiveness and reduce response time. This is enhanced by the availability of precise geolocation of incident through the EMS system. To enable the smooth operations of the Safe Goa 24/7 system, the server infrastructure will be housed in the servers in Department of I.T, DOIT. All the fire stations and headquarters will be connected to DOIT over the Goa Broadband Network, GBBN, and all the facilities will be connected to the DOIT over GSM and GPRS. The system dashboard provides a comprehensive information on the active fire incidents, zone-wise fire detection, geographical spread of the fire calls, call activity monitoring, GIS view of the responders and comprehensive statistical reporting. How does the EMS help the different stakeholders? Goa Fire Emergency Services provide real-time monitoring, save lives, ensure 100% compliance, use resources effectively, sustainable revenue, premises and buildings in Goa, 100% safety compliance, ensure asset safety, ensure business continuity, ensure safe working environment, so that the citizens of Goa can stay safe, work safe, feel safe.